Hello, welcome to Maths with Nile. Today we're learning sequences.
And what's a sequence, Nile?
It's like a repeated pattern.
Okay, let's look at the first question at the top. So we have to fill out the empty slots. We need to put numbers in there. So we have a few numbers already started first. Can you tell us about those numbers?
So it's going 5, 7, 9. So 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers.
Okay.
So that means that this is a row of odd numbers.
Very good, Nan. And what's happening at each point between the 5 and the 7 and between the 7 and the 9? What's happening? Are you adding? Are you taking away?
I'm adding 2.
Adding 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And then between the 7 and the 9, how many are we adding there?
2.
Good. So can you tell us what the next number is going to be and how you're going to work it out?
So we got 9 fingers. 9, 10, 11.
Okay. So let's put the 11 in after the 9. So we're just going to add 2 to the 9. So we go 9, 10, 11. Very good. Quickly, please. Don't try to put them together. That's it. Now, what are you going to do to get the next number?
We're going to add 2 to 11.
Okay, so
11, 12, 13.
continue.
13, 14, 15. Now we just have to follow this again. So 15, 16, 17.
Very good.
Now it's 19 because it's 5, 7, 9, 15, 17, 19.
Very good.
And then we got one more to go in this row. 19, 18, 19, 20, 21. 2 and a 1. 2, 1.
What was the mistake you made when you said 18?
We were taken away.
Taken away. So you have to remember we were adding. Yeah. Very good. So let's look at the second sequence. What's happening there? Look at all the numbers first. And what do you think all those numbers have in common?
They have 0 left over. And these have 0 left over.
They have 0 left over when you do what?
When you put them in 2s.
And what type of number is that? What are they called?
An even number.
They're all even numbers. So now you need to figure out what's missing.
2 plus 2 is 4. So 4. 2, 4, 6. 8, 10. So we're adding 2 again, but instead it's from the even numbers. So 10, 11, 12. 12, 14, 14, 15, 16. Done.
Very good. So in the first sequence we were adding 2, and the second sequence we were
Adding 2.
we're also adding 2, but the difference are we started with an odd number at the top, and the
And-
other one we started with an even number.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you can figure out what's happening in that third sequence.
24, 20, 18, 12, 10. Well, I know we're taking away because like it's going to 10. That's much lower than 24.
Excellent.
So we're taking away, but I still need to figure out how much we're taking.
How many? Yeah.
So
Why don't you look at the numbers that are next to each other to see if you can work it out? For example, the 20 and
24.
the 20 and the 18. Why don't you look at those two?
20, so 20 take away. Why don't we try with this one because like it's the start.
Whichever you prefer.
So 24 take away 4 equals 20. So we're taking away 4.
We're not, because the 20 is not next to the 4. That's why I suggested the 20 and the 18. So go back to the 20 and the 18 and tell me how many do we take away to get from 20 to 18?
29 taken away 2.
Very good.
So we got something I think that's happening with these 3 is something to do with 2 everyone.
Well, that third one is, and the first 2 words are correct. So we're taking away 2. So what are you going to do now with that information?
So it 24 take away 2. So 4 take away 2 we need to know. 4 take away 2 is 2. We done it here.
Don't worry about the top one. So 4 take away 2 is 2. So how's that going to help you with the answer?
We're taking away 2.
So you said 4 take away 2 is 2. So what is 24 take away 2?
24 take away 2. So 24 take away 2 is 2. 22.
22, very good.
22. 22.
Continue.
18 take away 2, so
Can you practice counting 2 down on your fingers, Nile? So 18 and 2 left.
18, 17, 16.
Good.
16. And 16 take away 2, so 16, 16, 15, 14. 12, 10, 8. 8.
Very good. So that sequence, we were taking away 2. We started at 24. So let's look at the last one. Can you stand to the side? Okay, so what do you think is happening in that sequence?
We're doing it in tens.
Okay, so what happens at each stage?
So 10, 20. So we're plussing 10.
Very good. That's what I wanted you to say. We're adding 10 at each stage. So 10 plus 10 is 20.
20 plus 10 is 30. 3 and a 0. I think we done another math video about this.
Very close, but a bit different. Continue.
10, 20, 30, 40 because we're adding 10 to 30, so it's going to be 40.
You can't see.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oops. Fifty, 60, 70. 70, 80, 90, 0.
You stand aside so we can see what you're doing. Okay, very good.
So we've done all this. That's good.
Can you remind us the numbers at the top line? What type of numbers are they?
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers. The second?
Even numbers.
Even numbers.
Even numbers.
They're even numbers, but we're going... What are we doing in the third one?
We're going...
The third one.
Plussing 2.
From 24 to 22 to 20. What are we doing?
Taken away 2.
Taken away 2, good. And the last one?
We're plussing 10.
And can you remember when 10 can go into a number? There's a name that we call it, and all of those are something of 10. Can you remember? It starts with an M. Multiples of 10.
Oh, yeah, multiples of 10.
Okay, very good. That comes to the end of the lesson. How's that?
Bye. It's 2 thumbs up and 1 smiley face.
Okay, lovely. See you next time.
Bye.
Now we have some practice questions for you to try. When you're ready, pause the video and have a go. When you're finished and ready for the answers, press play.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. And if there's anything you want me to do, write it down in the comment section and I'll do it for you. Bye!